Imagine this. You finally receive your dream job offer abroad. Maybe it's in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, Bahrain, Europe, Canada, Australia, or another country you've always dreamed of working in. Everything is ready. You've resigned from your current job, you've booked your flight, you've started planning your future, then suddenly, your employer or the embassy asks for attested documents. You confidently submit your certificates, only to discover that they are not properly attested. Now your visa is delayed. Your joining date is postponed. Your employer is waiting. And in some cases, your opportunity could even be at risk. One missing stamp, one skipped authority, or one incorrect process. That's all it takes to create weeks or even months of unnecessary delays. In today's video, we'll explain everything you need to know about document attestation, why it's so important, which documents require attestation, how the worldwide process works, and how you can avoid unnecessary delays before they happen. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Legal Visa Services for trusted guidance on international documentation, visas, qualification verification, and global mobility. Why one small mistake can cause big problems. Many people assume document attestation is simply collecting a few stamps. Unfortunately, that's not how the process works. Every country follows its own documentation policies. Every embassy has different procedures. Every authority checks different information. If even one stage isn't completed correctly, you may have to restart part or sometimes all of the process. That means additional waiting, extra costs, and unnecessary stress. The good news? Most of these problems are completely avoidable. Mistake 1, eyes. Starting the wrong attestation process. This is probably the biggest mistake applicants make. Many people begin attestation without first understanding which country issued the document, which country will receive it, why the document is required. A degree certificate for employment in the UAE may follow a different route than the same certificate being used in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, or another country. Likewise, a marriage certificate, birth certificate, or commercial document may each have different requirements. Starting with the wrong process can result in rejected submissions, repeated procedures, additional expenses, and lost time. Mistake 2, submitting incomplete or incorrect documents. Many delays happen because applicants submit documents without carefully reviewing them. Common issues include missing pages, name mismatches, expired passport copies, damaged certificates, poor quality scans, missing supporting documents. Before submitting anything, double-check that every document is complete, clear, and consistent. Mistake 3, skipping a required authority. Some applicants think they can skip one verification stage to save time. Unfortunately, document attestation follows a specific sequence determined by the issuing country and the destination country's requirements. Skipping a required authority may mean your document is not accepted for its intended purpose. Always complete the process according to the applicable requirements. Mistake 4, waiting until the last minute. This happens more often than you might think. People receive a job offer and assume documentation can be completed in a few days, but attestation often involves multiple authorities, and processing times can vary depending on the country, document type, and the responsiveness of the institutions involved. Starting early gives you time to respond to any additional document requests without affecting your travel plans. Mistake 5, trying to handle a complex case. Without guidance, simple cases may be straightforward. But what if your university has changed its name, your employer has closed, your name differs across documents, you have documents from multiple countries, you're unsure which process applies? These situations often require careful review before submission. What happens if the attestation process isn't done correctly? Many people don't realize the impact of incorrect attestation until it's too late. Depending on the destination country's requirements and the purpose of your documents, incorrect or incomplete attestation may lead to delays in employment onboarding, delays in student admissions, delays in family sponsorship applications, delays in business registration, additional document requests, resubmission of documents, additional processing costs, postponed travel plans. That's why it's always worth getting the process right the first time. Why choose Legal Visa Services? At Legal Visa Services, we know every case is different. That's why we don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. Our experienced team provides thorough document review before submission guidance based on your destination, country, educational, personal, and commercial, document assistance higher success rates, lower turnaround time through accurate preparation, free consultation, worldwide assistance, end-to-end support, until your documents are successfully processed. We help you prepare correctly from the beginning so you can avoid unnecessary delays later. Document attestation isn't just another administrative task. It's one of the most important foundations of your international journey. One small mistake today could delay your opportunities tomorrow. Whether you're moving abroad for work, study, business, or family, preparing your documents correctly from the beginning can make the entire process smoother and less stressful. If you're unsure where to start or if your case is more complex, let Legal Visa Services help you move forward with confidence. You can get in touch with us on www.legalvisaservices.com. You can reach out on WhatsApp on +9 1913 612 7789. And you can talk to us on +9 1913 612 7789. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Legal Visa Services. Every week, we publish expert guidance on document attestation, Saudi QVP, UAE equivalency, Mossadaqah, Saudi Council of Engineers, Dataflow, international documentation, visa and immigration processes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.